On a lovely spring day, you venture into your crawl space just to make sure everything is good after the winter. You notice you have water in your crawl space. Stay tuned to hear how Crawlspace drainage is installed. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. Crawlspace drainage is valuable to the foundation of a home. In this video, I will explain why you may need crawlspace drainage, how it is installed, and how much time installation takes. Before we go any further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. Crawlspace drainage comes into play for your home when your crawlspace is taking on water or moisture. So you're gonna see signs of standing water with water lines on the foundation wall, or when you get down there, there's water on the ground or even on top of the plastic. That's when you need water drainage in your crawlspace. When we're installing drainage in a crawlspace, it's a lot less intrusive than in a basement. We're simply going to dig a trench around the perimeter of your crawlspace walls right next to your foundation wall or your footing. We're going to lay that tile in the trench and backfill the soil around that tile, leaving that tile stick up just about an inch above the soil. The reason that you don't need gravel or anything like that around our designed tile is because there's a fabric there to prevent the dirt, the sand, the debris from entering into that system. And so it's much simpler to install outside of maybe a perforated tile where you need that gravel around there to help filter out the soil out of the water to keep your tile from clogging. Once this is done, it's laid at a pitch to the sump pit location so that the water flows in that void of the drainage tile straight to our sump pump and pit. This all simply depends on the size of your crawl space. On average, we can usually install about 160 to 180 feet of water drainage per day. That is without a sump pump or a pit, so if that's needed, that could add some additional time. But really, how long it takes per crawl space is just dependent on that size and how many feet of perimeter wall there is for that drainage to have to be installed around. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about how water drainage is installed in crawl spaces? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.